Is it okay to change the course of your driving test if somebody is tailgating you? What would you do if someone's tailgating you when you're doing your driving assessment? We had a call just earlier. There was this young lady who did the test this morning at West Perth, and there was a driver behind her who was tailgating her for at least about 5 minutes reportedly. She said it was literally within sort of a metre or so behind her at about 50 kilometres an hour. So that's not acceptable. It's not acceptable in any type of circumstances. She asked me if it's okay if she turned into the car park and told the assessor that she was put off by the driver that was behind her. Would that be okay? Our advice is if you feel threatened, you can turn into the car park, you can change the course of your driving test, obviously, if you weren't given the instruction by the assessor to turn to the street. So whatever the situation is, you should not be intimidated by who's sitting next to you to make a decision that's going to prioritize your safety. As much as this doesn't happen that often, it's clearly worth addressing. I hope that this advice will help people who are getting ready for their driving assessment if they get treated in a similar manner by somebody, such as being tailgated, that they need to put their safety first, regardless of who's sitting next to them, what they might think of them for doing so. So please feel free to ask us any questions down in the comments below, or you can even give us a call during our business hours. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.